Hey, welcome to this episode of Your Business Won't Scale Itself with Terry Foster. This episode is brought to you by the Strategic Advisor Board along with Terry Foster Consulting. Terry Foster Consulting is a digital marketing agency that helps business owners like you scale to seven figures and beyond with effective digital marketing. So in today's message, in today's video, I want to talk about how do you know if an offer is scalable? So we're going to be talking about offers a lot, but if you want to scale an offer, it has to be scalable. You have to be able to deliver it at volume, if you want to scale. And some offers are scalable, some are not. So you have to first, decide, is this an offer that you are legitimately trying to scale? If so, is it scalable? So for example, like if I created an offer, an amazing offer. It's a one-on-one coaching program with me. We talk all things marketing. We talk numbers. We make sure that you have a marketing game plan. We figure out what your paid traffic strategy can be. You meet with me 2 times a week. Killer offer. We slap a price tag on it. I can guarantee results. So I feel great about that offer. It can be an amazing offer. But guess what? That offer isn't scalable because there's only one of me. If I'm doing the coaching one-on-one, I have, 2 meetings a day with my clients. There's only so many clients that I can work with at a time and still, make it efficient, still be able to do the other things that I need to do. So tremendous offer, but not exactly an offer that's scalable. So that's why a lot of times people, they like group coaching programs. That way, instead of one-to-one, it's one-to-many. So if you have a group coaching program in place, that does have the potential to be scalable. Info products, of course, like if you're selling courses and things like that, that's even more scalable because now you're just delivering, information that you've spent time to kind of curate and distribute. But after that, it doesn't matter if one person bought 100 or 1,000, if you're just given access to a course, you can really, really scale that up. That isn't to say that done for you services can't be scalable. If you have an agency, you can still scale it. You just need to make sure that your systems and your processes and your team are really, dialed in so that you can handle that volume, for it to make sense. So these are just kind of questions that you have to answer, your offer, is it truly scalable? If someone came and gave you 100 customers or clients tomorrow, would you be able to fulfill that? And that's something that you want to think about in the early stages of crafting an offer, because a lot of times people make the mistake of, they roll something out and then they try to adjust later. And they're like, crap, this isn't scalable. But if you kind of think about things in the beginning, you're going to construct it, you're going to design it a little bit differently. So that way, when the time comes where you really, you want to scale, now you're in a better position to do so instead of having to reinvent the wheel. So super, super important is just going through this process, asking yourself, is this scalable? If I had 100 clients jumped on my lap tomorrow, would I be able to handle them? And that gets you going down the path that you need to go down to, because if the answer is no, at least now you're thinking, okay, what would I need to do in order to make that happen? Is that getting more team members? Is that making sure that the team members that I have can work on more accounts? Is there ways that I can use automation so now that I can free up time so they can be doing other things? These are the things mentally that you're going to be forced to answer when you really take a second to, ask yourself, is your offer scalable? So highly, highly recommend that you do that. So thank you for watching today's episode of Your Business Won't Scale Itself with Terry Foster. If you have any questions, make sure that you drop them in the comment area below. I'm going to catch you tomorrow. Thanks so much for tuning in. Make sure that you make sure that you subscribe. Have a great day, and we'll talk tomorrow.